Okay guys, this is just going to be a video about how to draw random circles at, draw circles at random points with hopefully random sizes. Let's get about it. So x is equals to, okay, np dot space minus np dot I times 2 I, and this will have a step value, and let me just define the step value as 100 units. Why this is important, it'll become clear later. And y is equals to np dot sine of x, z is equals to np dot cos of x. Now we just have to create a figure, pnd dot figure, pnd dot xlim. I'm just gonna give it like minus okay, minus 5 to 5, pnd dot ylem will be minus 5 to 5. Actually don't need that much, but I'm just gonna put it just in case. So now I'm just gonna do plot of y comma z with red stars because it just looks, I don't know, just for looks of it. And as you can see, you have a perfect circle here, and if you count these stars, which I'm pretty sure you won't, it will be equal to 100 because that's the number of steps. Now it doesn't look like a circle, but let me show it to you that it is. I set it. Now you can see that this looks like a circle. So if you count these, it will be the same as the steps. Now what you want to do is you want to introduce a little randomness to this. So rx is equals to random minus okay yeah, minus say 10 to 10. Change the axis. I'm just going to give the axis a value, ax equals 10 minus ax, this will also be, so this will just create a random variable within the graph, which is what we want, so that we will be able to see it. Okay, rand int, rand int minus, okay, and I'm just going to create another same thing. Okay, done. Now I'm going to say rx is equals to, so now this command here, this will create a row array of step of rx. The length of the rx will be equal to the step, which what we will do is we will add the corresponding values to your y and z. So now this is your graph 1. I'm just gonna quickly draw another graph here. Y plus rx and y plus ry, and let me just give this blue so that we can see what is happening here. So once you hit play now, you will see two circles. Now I haven't defined rx and ry, which is random, and hence you have the new blue circle over here. So next what you do is, now you have to repeat this process again so that you can create multiple graphs. Now how do you do that? I'm going to show you. So like I said, what we're going to do is now we're going to create a loop. I'm going to create a counter. I'm going to put it at 0, and I don't need this. Yes, I will be needing rx and ry. So while c less than 5, while c less than 5, I'm gonna need all of this. I'm gonna increment the counter by 1 every time. I'm just gonna put them, hit tab and put them in the loop. And now I'm gonna hit run, and it should give me 5 randomly placed circles in the given area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This seems out of the circle's axis because the radius is clearly, the center is clearly at 10, 10. I think it's 5, 10. Sorry, it's 10, 5. Okay. So we have 5 circles here. Now, if I do 0.1 here, it should give me 50 circles. Let me run that and see. Now we have 50 circles here. Now the next thing I want to do is, I don't know, I can make this plot, a little more iterative. I'm just going to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to use this function called plot pause. Just to delete these variables. It doesn't matter even if you don't, but I'm just gonna do it. So if I do this, what happens is it should give me a dynamic plot of what is happening here. So as you can see, my screen is now filling up with these 50 circles, and it's good too. Right, now the next step that we can do is add random sizes. Okay, now so random sizes, as in you're going to scale it. So I'm going to put s as 0, and while c, okay, I'm going to create a new loop here. Should I wait? Okay, so before I go to scale, I'm just gonna make the color of the circles to be different. So I'm just gonna define a new variable k, and I'm gonna just write random colors in it, represented as strings. One is red, one is blue, one is cyan that I know, and then there is black, and then there is, I think there is orange. I don't know the better about that. Okay, so right now I have 5 colors. So instead of this, I can just say rand int 0 to length of k. Oh, sorry. Need from k of rand int length of k minus 1. Okay, make sure my indexes are all good. And I'm gonna do this. Now let me see, I should get circles of different colors. Yes, that is working. That is there. Okay, cool.